Lekebaby Diaper Changing Pad, Waterproof Baby by Lekebaby is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Built-in pillow. To give your baby extra comfort, the head section has been padded with a pillow. Come with Lekebaby Diaper Changing Pad, make you comfortably and hygienically change your baby's diaper no matter where you are. Convenient travel. Lekebaby Change Diaper Kit is lightweight and easy to open and fold. When you go out, baby needs to change diapers, you can change it anywhere, easy to clean, keep your baby away from bacteria. Fashion arrow printing, more suitable for going out. Waterproof surface. The surface easily wipes clean and is extra wide where it counts, helping prevent your baby's poop from making a mess of the surface underneath. Super portable. Lightweight and folding up into its own carry bag, the convenient strap allows you to easily put your diapering kit into your baby carrier, or diaper bag. Satisfaction guarantee. The manufacturer provide 30 days money-back guarantee for any reason and 180 days warranty for quality-related issues. Take it, and you'll know this is one of diaper changing pad you want.